Joseph, did you know that because this child by friends you'd be reviled? Did you know that this boy you'd raise would be the sinner's praise? This firstborn son of Mary, your sins one day would carry.